In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment anonymously on a Facebook group using the latest update. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or go to the Facebook website in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Anonymous commenting only works inside groups, so from your home screen, head over to the Groups section. You can do this by tapping the Groups icon or using the menu and selecting Groups from there. Next, choose the specific group where you want to comment anonymously. It's important to know that not every group supports anonymous interaction. This feature has to be enabled by the group admins, and it's usually seen more often in support groups or communities that focus on sensitive topics. If the feature isn't available in a particular group, you won't be able to turn it on yourself. It's controlled by the group settings. Once you're inside the group, scroll through the posts and find the one you'd like to comment on. Tap into that post so you can see the comment box and the existing comments. Normally, you would just tap on the comment field and type, but to comment anonymously, look for an option or a small toggle that mentions anonymous commenting. Depending on your app version and region, you might see a prompt like, "Comment anonymously," or a similar wording near the comment field. If you see that option, tap it. Facebook may show you a short explanation about how anonymous activity works. Typically, your name and profile picture will be hidden from other group members, and your comment will appear as coming from an anonymous group participant. However, group admins and Facebook itself can still see who you are behind the scenes, so this is for privacy within the group, not complete invisibility. After you've enabled anonymous commenting for that specific interaction, type your comment just as you normally would. Take a moment to double-check what you've written, since even anonymous comments should follow the group rules and Facebook's community standards. When you're ready, tap Post. Your comment should now appear in the thread marked as anonymous, rather than showing your profile. If you don't see the anonymous option at all, it likely means the feature isn't available in that group at this time, and that's it. By following these steps, you can participate in group discussions while keeping your identity private from other members, as long as the group supports anonymous commenting.